Good morning. Welcome to Thursday. And I am still sucking on cough drops. So, as my friend suggested a few days ago, today's vlog is Ben sucks on cough drops. Oh boy. It's really frustrating just having a cough and nothing else really wrong. Everyone thinks that you're sick, and you kind of feel sick, but you're not really sick, but you're also hacking cough every 5 minutes, and it's just not fun. That is a pretty blue. Check this out. Wait a minute. Alright, we gotta inspect something here. Okay. We have a Subaru WRX. I think I know my cars. Yes, Subaru WRX. Wait for it, wait for it. Now, I'm not saying that that's not possible, but it just doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So, I guess it's a little insensitive of me to think that just because someone has a nice car like a Subaru WRX, that they couldn't be handicapped. So I apologize if any of you out there are handicapped and have nice cars or motorcycles or whatever, or anything else. I'm sorry. I apologize. On the subject of nice cars, I'm going to show you this Chevy, what is it, panel truck? I don't even know. It's a 3100. It looks like a early 50s. I don't really know my years on old Chevy trucks that well, but I think I've seen one similar to this, and I think it was a 52. So, yeah, check that out. It's pretty cool. Yeah, there's some neato cars around here sometimes. Son, good morning. Alright, so today turned out a little differently than I expected. Just got back from the DMV. Had to get a new picture taken for my license. And that got done really quick. Got done in less than an hour, which is amazing for the DMV. So I am working the rest of the day from home, not because I'm sick, but because I thought that the DMV would take longer, and because I have no meetings, and working from home lets me see wifey a little more, and yeah. So, there you go. There goes another duck. I don't know if I got that on the camera. It's hard to hold this thing with my hand. What? What else would I hold it with? Guys, watch me. Alright. Have a good Thursday. See you Friday.